Alright, let's talk about financial literacy. Because if you want to start smart and grow your wealth, you need to know the basics. First up, budgeting. It's not just about tracking every penny, but understanding where your money goes. Your budget is your blueprint. Spend less than you earn, pay yourself first. Save a portion of every paycheck before you even think about spending. Next, debt. Not all debt is bad. High-interest debt like credit cards can wreck your finances. Tackle that first. Pay more than the minimum. Avoid taking on new debt unless necessary, like for a home or for education. Then, saving and investing. An emergency fund is your safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Once that's set, start investing early, even a little. Compound interest is your best friend. Time is on your side. Don't forget financial goals. Buying a car, a house, or retiring early. Set clear, realistic goals. Break them into steps and track your progress. Small wins add up. And finally, keep learning. Financial literacy isn't a one-time lesson. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, watch videos, ask questions. Start smart, keep it simple. Watch your wealth grow. You've got this.